what's love? A question that is mentioned for a century, centered around a decade of sentiment eventually. I got stories of my lover's adventures. Since they gave me sense of love, I keep my loves at a censor. I knew this girl name, she had some drama with her, cause her father figure to not show was a father figure. But honestly, I seen the larger picture. Erase that and think that I'm somehow able to just replace that feeling of a dominant male. Hold you down if you fail, but still meet at a common trails. Calm me down, just exhale. We was all doing right, but we'll argue and fight in the darkness at night. She was creeping with dudes by the masses, rooting for my father being gone. Now she chooses to be absent in the past tense, so that best is one. Come on, hit me with that sense of love. What? This other girl named was a model and an actress. Did a little singing part-time, she was dancing. Even was a sign of fashion, but dying of a passion, but never had time for romancing. That's it, there's now a flaw in her character, but her character won't let that be a harm for her area. She inferior to loving, but superior to others. Word, stuck in an era where her mirrors do the judging. Fuck it, attention everywhere, her luck don't melt. Every time she stepped out, she was custom built. Flawless, but she got some deeper cuts still felt. She loved her veins so much that she ain't love herself. So how could she love someone else with all that? I'm an entertainer too, but I know when to fall back. She said she cared for me till that lens rolled up. That message was, she hit me with that sense of love.
All this love and affection, but something is missing, cause things never feel right in one direction. Something is separate, I guess true love is blind. I'm always falling into that sense of love, 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 love.
What more could I dream for? Word, just me and the main bro. Since all the friends single, we hearing the hate more. Right around, top down, just tearing up Lakeshore. No caring to wait for us, but fearing her main thoughts. Cause was telling me from the jump, her preferences for some love from that one is a gentleman and a thug. A college invested future alum, but still muscle the street hustle while he peddling with them drugs. Somebody got him mixed up with them clouded pupils, you will always watch him slip up. What direction is you in? Keep on dancing with the devil, you gon' wish you never lived. Backwards ain't romance, you show what you starting at the end, we have no chance to grow. Mixed up, staying with her head messed up. All she gave me was that sense of love. Now let me take you back to 08. I was 18 without no name, spinning propane without no flame and a broke drink. I met this girl named, she was static hot, which balanced out for her cold veins. On the super low, having no faith for the studio, working no breaks with me. See, she wanted to live up normal without ever doing work for it. She really wanted Mr. Right now instead of Mr. Right eventually. Rather live for the moment than live with longevity, especially when I got a job that's not promised, and the ones that drop knowledge with rhyming on rock diamonds and stay shining. Besides the lyrical sense, a physical fence was built up and I meant to, cause I meant to. Music that ain't paying while I'm working so hard. She'd rather hit that car swipe than hit these 32 balls. Oh, years later now my life is priceless. She dying just to get a plug, that sense of love.
All this love and affection, but something is missing, cause things never feel right in one direction. Something is separate, I guess true love is blind. I'm always falling into that sense of love, 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 love. All this love and affection, but still something is missing, cause it never feels right. I'm in one direction, but still something feeling separate. I guess true love is blind.
Ride with me.
Blind.